Stop. Do you know that feeling? You're really in the mood for a change, but the only thing truly creative is your excuses. You know what I mean. The wallpaper you just can't get off. The stickers you spent hours on peeling. Old paint residues you have to painstakingly remove. If that sounds familiar, let me reassure you, I have the right products for you. And with them it's time to say, change it. Because the time for excuses is over. How? Easy. With wallpaper, steamers and heatguns, you can effortlessly renovate, rethink, remove, transform. No matter what, you can change it with just one click. Whatever was holding you back is over. Tackle your project. Make it easier, faster, better, nicer, or even smarter. Transform yourself in your home when, how, or wherever you like, whether all at once or bit by bit. Believe in yourself. Get it on and change it.